It's a certified 2016 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. It comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and V6 engine. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Take it for a test drive today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value